Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to learn the basics of creating a Google Slides presentation. We will learn how to create a new presentation, as well as how to add a theme to your presentation. Google Slides is a great way to display information in a visual way. It allows you to become the teacher. In order to create a Google Slides presentation, you must first open the Google Slides app. To do this, you will first open a Google Chrome browser. This should be located at the bottom of your screen. If you are already logged in to your Google account, your picture will appear at the top right corner, along with 4 other symbols. To open the Google Slides app, click on the 9 squares that are in 3 rows. This will open Google Apps. Click on the yellow Slides icon to open Google Slides. If you are not logged into your Google account, you can search for Google Slides in your browser. I'm going to open another tab. Type Google Slides. And you'll just want to click the first link that appears. Once this home screen appears, you're going to want to click on Go to Google Slides. This is another way to get to the Google Slides app if you are not already logged in to your Google account. So once you have gotten to Google Slides, you will want to create a new presentation. To do this, you will choose one of the templates that line the top of your screen, or choose a blank presentation. For this demonstration, I'm just going to choose the blank presentation option. When a blank presentation opens, you will first want to title your presentation. In the top left corner, you are able to type over where it says Untitled Presentation to name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it with my name for the purpose of this demonstration. Once I click off of it, Google automatically saves the name of your presentation. Let's edit the first slide together. On your toolbar, you will see Background, Layout, and Theme. If you select Theme, you can choose from a variety of preset themes by Google. A theme will give your presentation unity. I'm going to select the Focus theme. Once you select a theme, all the following slides will have the same theme. To show you that the theme continues, I'm going to go up to Slide and hit New Slide. A second slide will appear, and this will add more slides to your presentation as you create new slides. As you can see, the previous title slide and slide number 2 do not look identical, but they look very similar. Themes make presentations look organized, and Google makes it easy. Themes are good for more professional presentations. It will make information that you're trying to teach easily readable and understandable for your audience. So go out there, pick a subject, and be a teacher yourself. Thanks so much for watching.